All right, welcome to the Explainer. Today, we are going full throttle into a highly targeted certification resource. If you've been navigating the wild, sometimes completely overwhelming world of cloud computing certs, you know you need a roadmap. You literally cannot survive without one. So if you're looking for that laser-focused direction to accelerate your learning, well, you are in exactly the right place. Let's just jump right in. So, the big question right up front, and be honest, are you currently studying for the SAA-C03? Listen, if you're operating anywhere inside the AWS ecosystem, you already know the Solutions Architect exam is no joke. It's a massive, rigorous beast of an undertaking. It's not just testing if you memorized a textbook, right? It tests your actual real-world ability to architect secure, scalable applications. Finding a reliable study path? Man, that's literally half the battle when you're facing this kind of technical mountain. So if that specific alphanumeric code, SAA-C03, is basically haunting your dreams right now, pay close attention to what we're unpacking today. Now, in a landscape absolutely flooded with endless boot camps, dense white papers, and study materials, one platform steps clearly into focus: Tech Horizon. This is the staging ground, the digital home base for the exact certification knowledge we are breaking down today. You know, finding a dedicated space that takes all those complex, heavy cloud concepts and actually chops them up into digestible pieces, that's absolutely essential. And Tech Horizon positions itself as exactly that kind of structured, high-value learning environment for tech professionals like us. And, of course, we know exactly where this expertise is coming from. The source text lays it out perfectly. YouTube video for my channel, Tech Horizon, with Anand Vemula. Right there, that roots everything we're discussing directly in the creator's own framework. It establishes Anand Vemula as the primary architect who is bringing this whole educational vision to life. And honestly, having that focused, personal touch, it is a total game changer for material that can otherwise feel really dry and overly technical. Which brings us to the big payoff, the core offering, the AWS Solutions Architect, SAA-C03 Complete Study Guide. Yep, this is billed as the definitive resource, provided directly by Anand on the Tech Horizon channel. And look, seeing it framed as a complete study guide, that signals a massive, all-encompassing roadmap designed to literally leave no stone unturned. I mean, for a test that covers everything from insane networking setups to deep cost optimization strategies, having one single cohesive guide, that is going to dramatically streamline your prep and cut right through all the noise. So, the gauntlet has officially been thrown down. The question is, are you ready to master the SA-C03? We've got the architect, we've got the platform, and we have the definitive roadmap you need to navigate this absolute beast of an exam. The only question left is whether you are ready to put in that focused effort, level up your tech career, and finally conquer that cloud certification. Keep all of this in mind as you map out the rest of your study journey.